Hello my loves, and welcome back to another video here today. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 4 ways that you can make money or earn extra income online as a stay-at-home mom. So if you are a mama out there looking for ways to earn additional income, then this video is for you. So you better stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So being a mom, one of the biggest challenges we have, of course, is time. We don't have time to do everything because we're so busy. Our hands are already full with so many different activities, from raising our kids to maybe working a full-time job to maybe running our businesses, and then you have to cook, clean, look after the husband, look after the home. So much work to be done as it is. So how do you even find time to start making, creating extra income online? So first of all, I would recommend that you look into creating passive income. Okay, if you want to start an online business, look more into passive income streams. So passive income is basically the opposite of active income. So with active income is what we're kind of used to doing. Active income is trading your time for money. Like they say, time is money. If you're working a 9-to-5 job, you get paid for the time you show up at work. During the weekends when you're not working, you're not getting paid. Okay, so you're actively trading your time for money. You have to be actively, physically present to make that business work or to make that job work. And if you don't show up, you don't get paid. Now with passive income, you actually get paid even if you don't show up. Okay, that's the difference. With passive income, which is usually most of the times an online-based business, you can actually automate the process such that when you're out there with your kids, spending time with your family, you're still making money at the back end 24/7. That's what we need as moms, because we don't have time to be trying to run a business and be involved in the business full time when we have all these kids to look after, right? So you really need to think about the passive income stream. So I will be sharing more of passive income streams, and the 4 strategies I'll be talking about will all be passive income streams that wouldn't really consume a lot of your time. So if you're out there thinking, I don't have the time, here's a video for you, mama. Okay, first way you can make money online as a mom is to look into dropshipping kids clothing. And the reason why I love the strategy is because you can get your kids involved as well in the business. Make it a family business, build a dynasty, and create that generational wealth. Why not, right? So you can start your own kids dropshipping boutique. Now this is different from the traditional way of actually running the boutique business, where you have to buy products in bulk, parcel the products, ship the products, and send it out to your customers. Because again, like I said, I know you don't have time, because I don't have time to be running to the post office with the baby in the buggy all the time. Like, nobody has time for that, right? So what you want to do is look into dropshipping, which is a different way of running a boutique business. So with dropshipping, your supplier handles all the shipping, the fulfillment of the orders for you. So your job is literally to go out there and just share content on social media, promote your products, and make money. When a customer buys from your brand, your suppliers will be the ones to ship the products out directly to your customer without you lifting a single finger, without you running to the post office with a buggy. Okay, so how does it work? So let's say, for example, you wanted to sell this t-shirt, right? Normally, you have to buy this t-shirt in bulk and then resell it at a higher price and essentially keep the profit. When a customer buys from you, you package and ship this t-shirt to your customers, right? Now that's active income, because you're still actively having to be involved in the process of fulfilling orders, shipping orders, and paying your money on inventory. With dropshipping, all you have to do is find dropshipping suppliers. So dropshipping suppliers are different from wholesale suppliers. Some wholesale suppliers offer a dropshipping service, some don't. Some are specifically dropshipping suppliers. So what they do is they allow you to buy one product instead of products in bulk. Okay, so what you're going to do is find a supplier who can fulfill your orders for you. So in this case, we're selling kids clothing. You can check out platforms like dropshipping.com. That's a dropshipping platform. They have products there, amazing kids clothing products. I've even done a review here, guys. I'm showcasing some of the products at Dropshippville. You can actually go there. There's so many kids clothing products there, guys. You can just find the products that you want to sell or you're interested in reselling. And then what you could do is order a few samples of the products, because we want to test out the products, and we also want content, products on hand that we can use to create marketing content. The beauty about the strategy is, instead of buying this clothing in bulk, you can buy them as single individual pieces. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to use that to create promotional content. Create that content, and then you want to start sharing on social media. And then when people come to you and they're like, okay, how do I purchase the product? You charge your own price. So let's say Dropshippville is selling a jumpsuit for $10, for example, right? You want to sell that jumpsuit for at least twice the price, $20. So when somebody comes to you and they're like, oh, I love that jumpsuit on your kid, you can be like, yeah, I can hook you up, okay? I can hook you up. It's only $20. They pay you $20. Guess what happens? You go to your supplier, you only pay them $10. Your supplier then, which is dropshipping in this case, if you're using them, you can find other dropshipping suppliers out there, do your research on Google. Dropshipping then ships the item out directly to your customer and you keep $10. So your job is literally just creating cute content for social media and then making your profit. That's how dropshipping works. You don't touch anything, which is great for moms who have no time to be running to the post office, okay? Another amazing way you can make money online as a mom is to look into self-publishing your own books on Amazon KDP. So I know you're probably thinking, oh my God, I have to write like a 300-page book now. I'm not an author. Look, if you're good at anything, you can write a book. You can publish short ebooks that are as long as 20 pages to 50 pages long. There's people out there making a killing selling short content ebooks on Amazon. You don't have to write 300 pages. Just if you give yourself 15-20 minutes a day, just a page per day, guys, in a month you would have written a book already, or even less than a month you would have completed a book. When your kids go to bed, you can start writing that book. We can create the time. Well, mamas were superheroes. Remember, we can do this. Okay, 15-20 minutes a day can get you one page. You don't even have to write a book yourself. Check out Resale Write ebooks. These are ebooks that have been created by other people that you're legally allowed to sell as your own. You can put your name as the author, change the covers, go out there and start reselling those books as your own and keeping 100% profit. If you head over to funnelfire.com, you can check out Resale Write ebooks. I'll leave the link in my description below, guys. If you're looking for done for you ebooks, you can resell as your own, charge your own prices, and keep 100% profits, then check out Resale Write ebooks and save yourself the stress of writing your own ebooks from scratch, okay? Now, I love Amazon KDP. I've personally self-published multiple books on Amazon KDP, and the reason why I love the strategy is because, again, I don't have to buy books in bulk and then ship it out to customers every time they buy a product from me. Guess what happens? When a customer buys on Amazon, Amazon deal with the fulfillment for me. They ship the products, they handle everything for my customers. And I get my profits at the end of every single month. Amazon pays me my profits. Once you create that book one time, everything starts to run at the back end, okay? It's that simple. Easy way to make extra income as a busy mom. The third thing that you can do to make money online as a stay-at-home mom is to look into affiliate marketing. So with affiliate marketing, instead of going out there having to create your own brand from scratch, handle all the shipping, the fulfillment of orders, and actually deal with customer service and things that consume your time, you don't have to worry about all that, okay? So all you're literally going to be doing is finding a company that already sells products that you're interested in, register as an affiliate, usually free of charge, and then start recommending these products to other people and making money. Now, as a mom, you can even look into the kids niche, for example. There's a lot of moms out there making a whole lot of money blogging, guys, and reviewing Amazon products, you know, things like baby buggies, baby products, toys, and literally kids products that they already use right now. So platforms like Amazon, for example, have an amazing Amazon affiliate program where you can sign up for free and start recommending other products on Amazon to other moms potentially. So as a mom, you could tap into the kids niche, for example. If you are already shopping on Amazon right now, that's a great way, guys, to tap into that niche, okay? So personally, I shop a lot for kids products. I shop for toys every other day. I purchase literally anything for my kids on Amazon because it's easy. There's a lot more bargains. I can find more options on Amazon. So I buy a lot of their toys on Amazon. So all I could literally be doing as a mom looking to make extra income is create videos around the products that I already have right now with me, okay? Upload those videos on YouTube channel, which is free. You can actually upload, create a YouTube channel for free. Start uploading videos just reviewing the products that you've purchased on Amazon, and then in the link in your description, you can then tell people, click on the link in my description if you want to buy the exact product, and if they buy that product via your link, Amazon pays you a commission. You don't have to worry about creating your own products from scratch, buying a bunch of inventory in bulk and then trying to sell, or even struggling to build that brand reputation, because let's face it, a lot of people out here already use Amazon. They have the credit card information stored within the Amazon platform. So all you're literally doing is sending people to a platform that they already know, like, and trust. So affiliate marketing is another great way you can make money online as a stay-at-home mom, just recommending products that you personally use right now to other moms, get paid. It's that simple, okay? Finally, the last but not least way that you can make money as a stay-at-home mom is to tap into what you already know, your skills, your expertise. There's moms out here helping other moms with, you know, their toddlers. So if you have a skill, it doesn't matter what you know. Like, don't underestimate your skills. Like, I know a lady, she teaches people how to potty train. Okay, parents how to potty train their kids. Like, you could sell anything online, guys. Like, any skill that you have, you could literally tap into that potential and start selling those skills. Create online courses. You can even offer one-on-one coaching to parents. Like, we can get on a Zoom call and you can teach me how I can, you know, potty train, and I can literally pay you for that service. People are doing this. There's people that go to different people's houses and teach them how to sleep train, how to potty train. So if you know something, mamas, don't underestimate your skills. If you're good at knitting, people are teaching people how to knit. I recently started mixing my own body oils because I just couldn't find a product out there that was good for my skin, as in, you know, oils that won't leave my skin feeling dry and ashy. I started mixing my own body oils. I have no idea how to do that. Guess where I learned? I learned that on YouTube. And by going on YouTube and searching how to mix my body butters, I came across this amazing creator, and I actually went on to purchase the products that she recommended, which were her affiliate products. And guess what? That made her some money. She's out there just teaching people how to mix, you know, make body butters, and she's also upselling people on the service as well. So if I wanted more of one-on-one coaching with her, and where she actually sit with me and teach me the measurements, the exact ingredients, you know, teach me how to do different types of oils, I will pay her for that, because I'm actually mixing the oils now for my family, and we've been using my own, you know, homemade oils for the last 1 year, and I can tell my skin feels better, it feels healthier, because I'm using my own natural ingredients now on my skin, right? So you can literally tap into any skill out there that you already know, something you know. If you're good at organizing, home decor, so many things, guys, like how to clean your home, like home cleaning. You can teach people anything, mamas, how to help make their life better. If you know something that can better someone's life in one way or the other, you've got $1 million skill right there to tap into. So create online courses. You can sell them on platforms like Udemy, for example. It's a big platform that you can go and start selling your online courses, okay? I hope you guys found this video useful in regards to ways you can make money online as a stay-at-home mom. Let me know below this video which tip was your most favorite and which tip are you going to be trying out. And as usual, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!